Welcome children to a new session with me. We'll begin the session as usual with a prayer. To pray, join your hands, close your eyes and repeat the word after me. Dear God, bless me. God bless mommy. God bless daddy. God bless my family. God bless my teachers. God bless my school. God bless my country. Help me always to make them all happy. Open your eyes. So today in this session, this is going to be a long session, and to keep it simple, I'm going to be very fast, real quick. You're going to cope up with me, I guess. We all know the capital and the lowercase cursive. We know the uppercase capital and the lowercase cursive letters. We are going to write it together simultaneously. I'm going to teach you how are we going to write it together. We'll begin with letter A. To write A, begin with the baseline, use the top line, come back to the baseline and finish it with a sleeping line in the middle line, and this is bottom line. Shall we? To write letter A, first slant, second slant and a sleeping line. Very good. How do you write small cursive A? Upward forward slant, a small curve, under curve, close it, downward straight line and then upward forward slant, letter A. Next letter we are going to write is capital B, first straight line, second curve and another second curve. How do you write cursive B? Upward forward slant, a loop, downward backward slant, upward forward slant with a loop. You shall call it under curve and you shall call it anti-clockwise loop. The next letter we are going to write is letter C. How do you write C? Second curve reaching the baseline. The next letter we are going to write is upward forward slant, small curve, under curve with a small upward forward slant, and this is letter C, cursive lowercase c. The next letter we are going to write is letter D. How do you write D? A straight line from the top line to the baseline and a second curve closing it. Now how do you write the cursive D, lowercase d? Upward forward slant, small curve, under curve, upward forward slant, downward backward slant and then upward forward slant. This is letter D. The next letter we are going to write is letter E. To write E, a straight line from the top line to the baseline, a sleeping line on the top line, a sleeping line on the midline and a sleeping line on the baseline, letter E. How do you write lowercase cursive E? Upward forward slant, anti-clockwise loop, under curve, upward forward slant. This is letter E. The next letter you are going to write is letter F. To write F, a straight line, a sleeping line on the top line and a sleeping line on the middle line, letter F. And to write cursive F, upward forward slant, downward backward slant with an anti-clockwise loop again and an anti-clockwise loop, letter F. The next letter we are going to write is letter G. To write G, write a C, go back, a sleeping line on the middle line and a straight line from the middle line to the base line. The next letter we are going to write is letter G, cursive G. To write cursive G, upward forward slant, a small curve, under curve, close it, downward backward slant, clockwise loop, crossing over with an upward forward slant, letter G. The next letter is letter H. To write H, write a straight line, another straight line and a cross bar. Sleeping line on the middle line. The next letter we are going to write is cursive heights. To write cursive heights, upward forward slant, downward backward slant with a loop, and then undercurve with a upward forward slant. Letter heights. The next letter we are going to write is letter I. To write I, a straight line from the top line to the base line, a sleeping line on the top line and a sleeping line on the base line. The next letter is upward forward slant, downward backward slant and a small undercurve with a upward forward slant, a tittle at the top. This is letter I. The next letter is letter I. The next letter is going to be letter J, with a sleeping line on the top, a straight line reaching the base line and a small curve. Letter J. How do you write cursive J? Lowercase cursive j, upward forward slant, downward backward slant, clockwise loop crossing over with a upward forward slant and a tittle. This is letter J. What is the other letter? The next letter? Letter K. To write K, a straight line from the top line to the base line, first slant and the second slant. Okay. Now, how do you write the small k, that is the cursive lowercase k? Upward forward slant, anti-clockwise loop, come down with a downward backward slant, go up, a clockwise loop and downward forward slant and an upward forward slant. This is letter K. The next letter we are going to write is letter L. To write L, a straight line from the top line to the base line and a sleeping line on the base line. So, how are we going to write letter L? Lowercase cursive l, upward forward slant, anti-clockwise loop, downward backward slant and then upward forward slant. Letter L. The next letter is going to be L after it is M. To write M, a straight line from the base line to the top line, second slant reaching the base line, first slant reaching the top line again and a straight line from the top line to the base line. Now we are going to write the cursive M. How do we write cursive M? Upward forward slant, downward backward slant, upward forward slant, over curve, downward backward slant, upward forward slant, over curve, downward backward slant and then upward forward slant. This is letter M. The next letter we are going to write is letter N. How do we write N? A straight line from the top line to the base line, second slant and a straight line from the base line to the top line. The next letter is lowercase cursive n. To write lowercase cursive n, upward forward slant, downward backward slant, upward forward slant, over curve, downward backward slant and then upward forward slant. Letter N. The next letter we are going to write is O. How do we write O? First curve, first curve, close it with the second curve. This is letter O. How do we write the small o? With an upward forward slant, anti-clockwise curve, undercurve and close it with a anti-clockwise loop. This is letter O. The next letter we are going to write is letter P. How do we write P? Capital P. A straight line from the top line to the base line and close it with a second curve. Don't we? How do we write P? Cursive lowercase p, upward forward slant, a loop, anti-clockwise loop and downward backward slant, clockwise loop, over curve with a upward forward slant. Letter P. What is the next letter? Letter Q. How do we write Q? Write an O with a second slant. How do you write cursive Q? How do we write it? Upward forward slant, a small over curve, under curve, come down and then upward forward slant. This is small q. The next letter is R. How do we write R? To write R, write a P. That is a straight line from the top line to the base line, second curve to the middle line, and second slant to the baseline. This is letter R. How do we write small r? That is the cursive R. Upward forward slant, anti-clockwise loop, sleeping line, downward forward slant, downward backward slant, and then upward forward slant. Letter R, small r. So next letter is letter S. To write S, first curve and then the second curve. It's very simple. To write cursive S, upward forward slant, come back, clockwise curve with a upward forward slant. Letter S. So the next letter is letter T. To write T, straight line and a sleeping line, upward forward slant, downward backward slant, and then under curve, crossing with the cross bar. This is letter T. The next letter is going to be U. How do we write capital U? A straight line, a curve at the bottom, and another straight line reaching the top line. This is U. How does the small u come? How do we write it? Upward forward slant, downward backward slant, under curve, upward forward slant, downward backward slant, and upward forward slant. This is letter U. The next letter is letter V. Second slant and the first slant. It's very simple. And the cursive V is upward forward slant, downward backward slant, upward forward slant, and an anti-clockwise loop at the top. This is letter V. The next letter we are going to write is letter W. How do we write W? First a straight line, first slant, second slant, another straight line is letter W. How do we write small w? That is cursive W, lowercase, upward forward slant, downward backward slant, under curve, upward forward slant, downward backward slant, under curve, close it with a anti-clockwise loop, and that is letter W, no gaps here. Okay, the next letter is going to be letter X. How do we write X? Second slant, cross it with the first slant. Very simple. And the small x, upward forward slant, clockwise curve, and an anti-clockwise curve. This is letter X. The next letter is letter Y. How do we write Y? A small second slant and a bigger first slant. A slant from the top line to the middle line, and then first slant from the top line to the base line. How do we write small y? Upward forward slant, downward backward slant, under curve, upward forward slant, downward backward slant, clockwise loop with a upward forward slant. This is letter Y. The last letters are going to be the capital and the lowercase cursive Z. Sleeping line, first slant, another sleeping line is letter Z, capital Z. How are we going to write the small z? Upward forward slant, a loop, sleeping line, downward backward slant, under curve with the loop, clockwise loop, crossing with the upward forward slant. This is letter Z. So the board is clear? Capital A to the capital A, small a till capital Z and small z. So this is very important for your exams, children. You are going to give your exam in this pattern. So practice it regularly. I hope you enjoy writing your English alphabets. We will meet in another class. Thank you.